water. Our first place to try it. So let's go order. I guess.
And it's all called local up the coast here.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Excited.
Let's take a look and see what they've got. So guys, watch this. When they get the order, they put it on that bell. This is hysterical. And the bell goes clean across all the way to here, and he pulls it and cooks it. This is from another world.
Very cool.
Isn't it cool?
I love it.
So we're getting a £1.25 steamed lobster. Check this, $13.95. And I'm getting a lobster roll for, I think it's $13.95. So one's hot and one's cold. This is just beautiful. On the Sheepskin River. Absolutely beautiful. There he is, steaming away.
Into the hot tub.
Oh yeah, that's the hot tub for the lobsters.
The final resting place.
Yes, it is.
So what's the best way to open it up? I haven't done
Now,
this.
I have a manual.
Okay.
Hey, let me grab you one.
Because I chose the harder meal today.
So here's the manual, honey.
What do we have
How
to
you do it.
Okay.
And I'll draw your table up here.
Oh, let's take a look, guys. Lobster facts. Nice.
How to eat a lobster. You gotta twist off the claws first. Crack the claw with a nutcracker. Tail piece from body by arching the back till it cracks. Well, let's do this when we sit down. We'll do it all.
Aim what you got there, honey.
So I've got my lobster.
Look at that, £1.25 lobster.
Yeah, lobster is highly nutritious and a dieter's dream, low in cholesterol, fat, calories, and it's leaner than ground beef and some white meat, turkey, and chicken. So it is actually really healthy for you. So most of the meat in a lobster, it's right in here and right here in the tail.
What did it say to do with the tail? Grab it like this.
So what I'm going to do is follow direcciones.
Yes.
So I'm going to twist off the claws like that.
Pays to read the directions sometimes,
Twist.
right?
Yeah, right. And then I'm going to crack the claw with a nutcracker. Let's see how I do with that. There we go. Let me stand up for this.
There you go. Just, I think just enough. There you go.
Let me get down here a little bit too. It looks and smells delicious. So let's open that up.
Oh my goodness. Talk to me.
Check this out. I'm in heaven. So we're gonna dip it in butter. Here we go. Amazing!
There we go. All right.
So next I'm going to separate the tail piece from the body by arching the back till it cracks. Okay. And, oh Lord, what's that?
Yeah.
That's a nice surprise.
Well, the green we don't eat.
Okay, give me your bottle of water. We're going to try to clean that up.
You're gonna cold. You make it get cold.
I don't care. I'm getting the poop
No, it
out.
comes right out. Comes right out.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just clean it out.
Different.
Oh yeah. Good enough to eat, honey. Oh yeah. There you go. Now you gotta
cool.
break it.
Okay. This is clean enough. Let's wipe it good. Okay, and then we're gonna bend back and break the flippers off the tail piece. Whoa. Okay. And then we're gonna insert the fork where the flippers broke off and push. Push.
Or probably to push the meat out.
Yeah, we're gonna kind of unhinge.
No.
Oh, I broke my fork. Let's just try it like this.
No, I think you need to push it.
Yeah.
When he said to push it from the back,
Go ahead.
he meant to push this like this. I believe you push it without ruining this.
Insert the fork where the fork
Right here.
broke off.
Thank you.
And push it out. Okay, gotcha. Check that out.
We'll clean all this white stuff off.
That's a
just
nice
that.
piece of meat right
Well, they said to open the body and crack it sideways. There's good meat in this section too. So we're doing it sideways. Ooh, there's also, you know what else in there? Oh, there's good meat in here, they said. I don't know where it is, but I'm going to find it. See how you eat this. I'm not sure about this, but we'll get all the garbage
Ma'am, it
off.
said there was some meat in this part. Is it on the back or the side?
That's the meat right there, right?
So I'm gonna just take your fork. This is meat. All in through here.
Okay. So you got to pick that out.
Yep, you gotta pick it up. A lot of people don't pick the bodies.
No, you want to pick the bodies. Is
Like,
that it?
if you want to, you're more than welcome.
Oh, gotcha.
Is meat. All these little cavities.
Can you break this apart? Can I break this apart more to open that up?
Yep.
Oh, very good. Thank
Is there
you.
any meat in these? The legs?
There's very little, but it's very sweet. The best way to do that is break it off and suck it through like a straw.
Okay.
Usually that works.
Excellent.
Do you need some more
Excellent.
butter?
Yes, that would help. Thank you.
I want you to
So,
have this. Want it?
we will try that. Look at that, guys. Just look at that meat. I've been dying for this, and this is going to be one of many we're going to eat while we're here. So here we go.
How is it? Tasty?
Oh, it's heavenly. Well, we're back at the lobster place in, I forget the name of this town, but we had it earlier. I can't pronounce it. Isn't this beautiful in this river? All those lobster pots. Major lobster industry. You gotta get closer. Yes, we're at Sprague'S Lobster. Believe it or not, this is the second time. Did I say that?
Wiscasset, Maine.
Say that again?
We're in Wiscasset, Maine.
Okay, we are in Wiscasset, Maine. And believe it or not, this is the second time we've eaten here. We came here for lunch and it was so good, we came back for dinner. So now I'm with one of the family. What is your first name? Becca. And she's going to tell you the history of Sprague'S Lobster. This is an awesome.
Hi, how are you? So we've been around here. We were at the dock down at the other end for 13 years, and we've been at this dock for 20 years. It's been Sprague'S Lobster. They initiated with kind of just a hot dog and burger stand, and now we've upgraded to what we have here now. So these are the jumbo lobsters, and they're 1 1/4 pounds plus. And then 2 pounds plus, actually. And then these are, hang on. And then this is a typical dinner lobster, which is 1 to 1 1/4 pounds.
Nice.
Do you sell these for dinner?
Yep. These are the jumbo lobsters.
Oh,
So you pay by pound for these.
You're the expert. It would take us a day.
So how big are these lobsters?
These are between
One is 3.5 and the other one is 3.
Nice.
3.51, I think, was one of them, and 3.07.
Beautiful. I'm getting a close-up of your hands, just so you know.
Don't worry about it. And then we're gonna set these over here just for now.
Where's the...
He's the expert.
Yeah.
Crack some knuckles. spit and
I
face
should
them.
have opened my mouth.
Hey, you may catch something. And take all the meat out of the knuckles and just... These are the PICS that we use for them. Some of them come out easier than others.
How often do they check the traps?
When I worked on a boat when I was 13 years old, and we would check the traps every day. It would, depending on the trap though. So you may not be checking the same traps every day. It's usually a 2 to 4 day sit. Oops, sorry.
Okay, it's my defense right here.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
That was part of the film, of the video.
It's a hard shell, let me tell you.
It is a hard shell. Very hard.
I know some people with
And the
hard
soft
heads like
shell
that.
are... I know a lot of people.
I know. Oh yeah. All right, what do we got for dinner here?
Well, look at these clams. Check it out.
Excellency. Those look like the Ipswich clam.
Yeah, the full-bodied clam.
Yep, very different. Look at the size. My lobster here is 3.33 pounds. That is a horse.
So look, they steamed it in this bag. The clams.
Yes, our meal comes with a
And
dozen steamed clams. Beautiful.
So
There you go.
see it there.
See it? There you go. We were just taught, there's a clam, how to properly clean them. This black stuff comes off. It peels. Little teeth, there you go. Now these are different type of clam. I think these are Ipswich, like Speaks clam bar. Now you don't just eat this. They give you hot water, rinse it around, zoom in on it, and all dirt comes off. And then you dip it in butter and down the chute. Oh yeah. That's why you eat clams.
We've got live lobsters. This is our typical dinner lobster, which is between 1 and 1.25 pounds. And these are what everybody considers their dinner lobsters, pretty much across the state. We also have jumbo lobsters.
You're not afraid to hold those boys.
Yeah, they're big, but they're not that scary.
And how big is that one?
This one isn't too big. We've got, this one's a little bit bigger.
Oh my goodness, look at this, guys.
Putting them on the scale. This second one, stay on there. Just under 3 pounds. 2.97 pounds.
Let's get. Look at that, guys.
2.97.
That is a big horse.
And this one is 2.66. Or
These are big critters. So how long have you guys been here?
we've been here for about 20 years.
20 years now. This is a family-run operation.
Yep. My grandfather does all the cooking of the lobsters, the corn, the steamers, and my grandmother is in there every day doing everything else. We've got burgers, chicken sandwiches, hot dogs, crab rolls. Crab rolls are a big seller. Clam fritters, and then everything for the kids as well. Grilled cheese, the hot dogs, the french fries, homemade lemonade every day, homemade iced tea. Pretty much just anything you can ask for, we've got it.
I saw on the sign out there that it said established 1975.
Yes, that is true. We also do have a homemade clam chowder that is made every day.
Oh, right up my alley.
Very good.
love
My
it.
grandfather makes that every day. I cook potatoes, and so does my mother.
So this here is your lobster dinner, which you do with a
Yep.
pound and a quarter lobsters.
That was a smaller lobster that I showed you, the pound and a quarter, pound of steamers, corn, coleslaw, dinner roll, $29.99.
Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong.
And then you've also got the single prices of the pound and a quarter lobster, the pound of steamed clams with corn on the cob, coleslaw, dinner roll.
And if somebody wanted a bigger lobster,
You can definitely order the jumbo lobster with a dinner.
and they run how much a pound?
They're $15.95 a pound for the jumbos.
Wow. So
And they
mine ran a good penny.
Yes, they are a good penny, but those lobsters have kept it out for this long. They can be anywhere between 25 to 100 years old.
Wow, they roll along.
This claw, which you had donated to us, was about 100 to 150 years old.
That had landed that long. Holy
Yep.
mackerel. Had lived that long.
That one up there, same, that's probably 150 years old.
The dinosaurs.
They are. They've been around since the dinosaurs. Which is more of the full body. That's the tail and the crusher claw and the pincher claw. The crusher claw crushes what they're going to eat. And then the pincher claw, if you see the point of the very tip, they use that to pull the meat out almost like a fork.
Oh my gosh.
And that's the size of the tail of one of those old lobsters.
Nice. Well, this has been excellent, and you're an excellent host.
Thank you very much.
Well, and look, you guys come and see Sprague'S Lobster whenever you're in Wiscasset, Maine.
Yep.
I pronounced it right. Good.
You did. 22 Main Street, Wiscasset.
You got it. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.